Hey everyone. We all want to feel our best, right? Being fit and healthy makes you feel amazing inside and out. It's not about being perfect. It's about feeling good. Let's talk about simple ways to make fitness a part of your life. You don't need fancy gyms or complicated routines. We're going to focus on easy changes that make a big difference. Small steps lead to big wins in the fitness world. Are you ready to get started? Let's jump right in. Let's talk fitness hacks. These are simple tricks to sneak in activity and make things fun. First up, turn everyday tasks into mini workouts. Walk the dog, take the stairs instead of the lift, or dance while you do chores. It all adds up. Next, find an activity you genuinely enjoy. Love music? Try a dance class, enjoy the outdoors, go for a hike. Fitness should be fun, not a chore. Pick something you love and you'll stick with it. Another great hack is to break down your workouts. Don't have a full hour? No problem. Do 3 10-minute bursts of exercise throughout the day. It's just as effective and much easier to fit in. Finally, remember that consistency is key. Start small and gradually increase your activity level. Celebrate your progress and don't be afraid to ask for support from friends or family. There you have it. Simple fitness hacks for everyone. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory. So get up, get moving, and enjoy the journey. You've got this.